Okay, ready? Are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, last class we were at the point of cell meta characters, and I hope I had forwarded the slide to you. All you got the slide?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Whenever you will have time, you will go through the slides. Further, the explanations are given. Along with the meta character star already over. Few more also: input redirection, output redirection, pipe, that are over. Today I will be looking into that few more meta characters. Then I will be going for the new portion that is called argument arrays. Right? Let me present my screen for you. I'll be taking the attendance after the presenting the screen. Okay, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Be quick, Rehan. Okay, let me take the attendance. I'll be starting that portion. Section A you have. Abhijit Raut,
Present, sir.
Ankit Das,
Present, sir.
Simon. What about Simon? Till now he is not recovered.
Bed rest, sir. Bed rest.
No,
Bed
sir.
rest. For how many days?
Sir, he
I
had
think a
a
month.
Rest.
Okay. Partha Sarathi Malik,
Present, sir.
Partha Sarathi,
Yes, sir.
Partha Sarathi.
Yes,
Try
sir.
to be regular. Try to be
Yes, sir.
regular.
हाँ सर आश्चर्य तो
Okay.
सर
In
डेली क्लास
between,
जॉइन କରୁଛି
बहुत क्लास absent ଅଛ ମଝିରେ.
ସାର୍ ସେଟା ମଝିରେ ସାର୍ ଦେହ ଖରାପ ଥିଲା ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ସାର୍
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଠିକ ଅଛି. ତାନ୍ୟା,
Present, sir.
ଆଶୁତୋଷ ମିଶ୍ର.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
ନିଖିଲ କୁମାର, ରାହୁଲ,
Yes, sir. Present.
अंशुमान रे,
present, sir.
चंद्रकांत गुप्ता,
Present, sir.
आतिश राज,
Yes, sir.
ज्योतिष नायक,
Present, sir.
प्रत्युष,
Present, sir.
दिशा नायक, अनूप, हरिओम, हरिओम, if somebody is facing the mic problem, you immediately can put the registration number over the chat box. Anup, हरिओम, पृथ्वीराज, संदीप, त्रिविक्रम,
Present, sir.
स्मृति, Prithviranjan Biswal, Rajiv,
Present, sir.
Sikrit,
Present, sir.
Sambit Kumar Sahu, Krishna, Rehan, Rehan, Priyanshu, Rahul Mukherjee, Divya Prakash,
Present, sir.
Kakun.
Present, sir.
Now Kakun, you are ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Asutosh, Asutosh, Devjyoti,
Sir, present. Mic was not working.
who? Devjyoti,
Hello.
who is that? Rehan. What happened to your mic? Rehan. Put कर दो registration number chat box में. Already I am
लिख
ahead.
रहे sir.
आशुतोष सिन्हा, देवज्योति, शिखर,
Present, sir.
सौम्या,
Present, sir.
शीर्षक,
Yes, sir.
अनन्या,
Present, sir.
राहुल, राहुल मालकर, श्रुति नर्मा,
Present, sir.
खुशी,
Present, sir.
निहार,
Present, sir.
शिबलू, शिबलू, निकिता,
Present, sir.
कृष्ण, कृष्ण सामल,
Present, sir.
अभी,
Present, sir.
अंजलि,
Present, sir.
ओके, प्रियव्रत, प्रियव्रत, निखिल,
Present, sir.
अच्छा, निखिल, आशुतोष पात्र, अलीसा पटनायक,
Present, sir.
दिव्य दर्शन,
Present, sir.
शुभेंदु, शुभेंदु, आदित्य,
Present, sir.
दीक्षा कुमारी,
Present, sir.
अमृत,
Present, sir.
राजेश, विदिशा त्रिपाठी, सत्यनारायण सिंह,
Present, sir.
प्रज्वल,
Yes, sir.
रूपम,
Yes, sir.
अभिषेक मिश्रा, अभिषेक मिश्रा, कैफ मोहम्मदी. Those who have given chat box message, I will be considering. Okay, no problem.
Sir, Smriti Ranjan Biswal, sir.
Yes, yes, you have given on the chat box.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, then I will consider. Don't worry. Okay. How much? 42, 41, one left. Still then few, because your total strength is showing 60, let it be 5, 55 around, but always 10 gap. Okay, Nia. Now today I'll be taking the session on argument array. And the session I will extend from the last class, whatever we are discussing the echo program along with some characters where cell behaves in a different ways. That character specifically called meta characters. Already few meta characters for you over. From that point only, I will be deviating towards a new more thing that is called argument arrays. Very simple. Many times you have used in your C program, but the only the flavor is going to be different here. Let what the thing is. I hope my screen is visible to all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. right? So today's idea is I have to go for argument arrays and string tokenization. Okay, join Karna, I am not in the screen to accept. Subhendu. Subhendu.
Yes, sir.
Subhendu. Subhendu also you be regular, huh? Now everything over your all classes.
Sir, na sir, Charlie sir.
Chalichi. Okay, then try to join whenever you don't have any classes from that side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. I will
Okay,
okay, fine. Hold on. Keep your mic off. Argument arrays and string tokenization. Almost in all my slides, you will be getting your reference book and textbook. Repeatedly, I am giving so that sometimes you will have the interest to read the textbook. Right. Then agenda is I will be covering command line arguments and what is called argument array. Then two methods for string tokenization. Though string can be tokenized by using the normal logic, I will not follow the normal logic. I will follow two library functions that C provides, strtok and strtok_r. And the final one is, after getting the two concepts over here, I will be developing our self argument array using three different versions. Version 1, few restrictions. Version 2, some more restrictions. Version 3, the generic version. Right? In 3 steps, I will be developing my argument array. In the same way, you have to develop your argument array. Whenever over the course, the argument array is required, you have to use the same program again and again. That's the motivation. Let I started few basic ideas. To whom you are telling a token. What is the meaning of a token? The basic unit, smallest unit, consisting of string of characters, right? And containing no white spaces. White space includes a single space, multiple space, tab, etc. Right? No white space unless tokens are used to group, quotations are used to group the tokens. For example, if I am writing SOA, this is consisting of characters SOA. Hence, it is a smallest unit called a token. Space, if I am writing 1, it is also consisting of a character. Hence, it is also called a token. Suppose you are writing the 1, 2, 3. It is also called a token. Suppose you are writing in double quote, SOA, ITR, right? I ended with double quote. Then though SOA space ITR I have given, it will not treated as a two tokens. It will treated as a single token because you have used the quote. In the same way, you can also use single quote to group the tokens. Otherwise, a token is a string of characters. And in general C, a string is said to be a characters that must be ended with the null byte or null character. If I am writing S, then it will be S here, it will be O here, it will be A here. The last character must be entered with a null character. If you are not pushing the null character to the end of the group of characters, then it will not a proper string in C. And be sure that string the last character is a null character. /O I have given. Right? As you know that this is the structure and all will contain a character, all homogeneous type, then it is called an array. Right? And indirectly, a string is an array of characters. An array of characters. A string is an array of characters. Right? The next one is command line. The term command line. Generally, we are pushing the command in this format, ended with $, then I am writing echo or anything, then you are writing some information to that one, ITR, SOA, dot anything, right? Consisting of tokens. This is a token, this is a token. The name of the program is also a token because it consisting of characters, right? These tokens are called arguments that are separated by white space. This is the white space, right? Consecutive spaces or a single space or a multiple space or a tab called white spaces. That is includes blanks, tabs, or is black slash at the end of the line, right? Yeah. And whole thing is called a command line. Now you will have the command line. The next point is when user enters a command line corresponding to C executable ./a.out or echo, the shell parses the command line into tokens and pass the result the program in the form of an argument array. And this is the term I am to highlight. Before that one, the token must be clear, a command line must be clear. Hope I am going for the argument array now. Right? A simplest example I am showing to you. CD desktop. I am clear cut, audible to all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, done. Already we have done echo program. Few more depth of echo is there. Echo, I am typing suppose ITR S12, another is CSC, right? What will be the display?
ITR is 12 CSC.
Here I have not used any meta characters, hence the simple echo will display ITR S12 CSC. How the echo program, I am talking about echo program, means it is an executable. We will know that it will going to display ITR AS12 and CSC. That we are going to discuss. And here this name of the program is a token, ITR is a token, S is a token, 12 is a token, CSC is the token. I have used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tokens. If you number this one, echo will be treated as index 0, ITR will be treated as index 1, S will be treated as index 2, 12 will be treated as index 3, similarly next one is the 4. Hence you count total numbers indexing from 0 to 4, hence total is 5. How the program will behave? Like echo program, today I am going to create a C program. How it is? This is my input echo. Already we have done in the last class. I am looking into the another aspect of that particular thing. Right? This is the things you have given. As soon as you will give it, what the cell is doing, the cell will parse. As per the statement, cell will parse. What it will parse? It is trying to take all this argument indexing to 0 token 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? These are all tokens. Token is the basic unit, smallest unit. Right? What it is trying to do it? Cell is trying. This fellow. And again I am telling, cell is just like a program. Just like the addition of two programs, in the same way cell is a program. Only duty differs. Don't think cell is something different. Cell is just a program. What the cell will do? Cell will make the indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What it does, the cell will take the index 0 and put it over here. Right? Index 1 ITR. Index 2 S. Index 3 1 2. Next index CSE. Right? After that, nothing is that. To have an end of this structure, the cell will put capital NULL. Right? If you look in the structure contains all characters. Right? String. All content string. All the content is string. Don't forget, content is string. If the content is string, string may have different length. Echo having length 4, ITR having length 4, S1, 12, 2, CSC 3, null is just a pointer. Right? And the structure in front of you is look like which data structure? Who will data structure dekha jauchi?
Stack. Stack.
Not stack.
Array.
Stack or queue.
And don't make it stack or queue. Or simplement, because stack and queue can be implemented by using the simplest data structure. What it is? Array. Array and can be used to, yes. Array can be used to implement stack. Array can be used to implement also queue. Then take out the simplest answer. Array of characters. If it is an array of characters, array is identified by a address which is called a base address. You know it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what I'll do it, this 1200 address I will put it over here. Right? To the index, this is 0. And this is a variable at the index 0. This is a variable at the index 0. If any variable will hold the address of another, what it is called?
Pointer.
Pointer. That means this will act as a pointer to that one. Now you can extend the length of anything, no problem. Because I am observing to the array of base value is 1220. Any variable which hold the address of another is called a pointer. Then this particular field is not normal, it is a pointer field. In the same way, second one is you have ITR. Then put it ITR. If you have pen and paper, you can also draw with me because I am going slow. Otherwise, the same diagram is there in my slide. The last is small character. Right? In the same way, this is having also a base address. Let the base address, I don't know, this is this one. And put this base address over here. Now it becomes a pointer. Now point it.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now third one is
CST.
S12 CSC. S. Only one character. S. Put the null byte. This is the let the base address is something. Right? Put the base address here. Now it becomes a pointer. Connect to the pointer. Right? Next one is 12 CSC. Next one is 12 1 2. Put the null byte. In the same way, put the base address to here. Let the base address is 1246 1206 some value. Right. Last one is CSC. Let the base address is 12008. Put here 1208. Now connect to this one. Right? Make the indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is there anything left? No. And the last value here to end. How to end? What address I will put? How to know that this will be end? I have to pull a pointer pointing
Program.
to nothing.
Final.
Pointing to nothing. If pointer pointing to nothing, then this field will be N, U, L, L indexing number. If you refer, it will be treated as final. And this particular part, echo, is the name of the program. This is the name of the program. Program, or else you can say that executable. Otherwise, you can ask the executable. This is the very, very vital part. This is the part, the name of the program. Okay, done. And this structure, whatever you are looking into that, it's not an array now. If it is an array, what type of array it is? It's just like a two-dimensional array or single-dimensional array.
Sir, which array?
This array. This is the original array, no? The whole structure. This is an array, right?
Yes, sir.
Which
Yes.
contains 1200, 122000, and these are not normal values. What are these values? What are these values? Pointer
Address.
values.
Address.
Address means pointer. Then what is the type of the array I can speak? It's an array. It's
Array
a
of
pointer.
pointers. Array of pointers.
Array of pointers.
Array of pointers.
Very good. Array of pointers. Pointing to what?
Base address of the
Base address
different
means
array.
representing the whole. Representing the whole means what is the whole? पूरा whole टा कौन?
Another array.
Array means string, right? Array means
Yes.
string, right? Array means string. Okay, then can I say that this is an array of pointer pointing to string? Am I right?
Sir, yes.
Okay, that what you mentioned. This is nothing but array of pointers pointing to string. Okay, and that is called the argument array. That is called the argument array. Is it clear for all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. If it is an argument array, then from C point of view, how I can declare this array? Let the name is argv. Let the name is argv. Any name you can take it, but I can take it argv. Right? How I can declare? If I want to use in C code, केमिति declare करिवी so that this will be array of pointers pointing to string. It will indicate. All are character type, then data type I will choose char. Fine. What is the data type? Char. String data type is not available in C. How I can declare? This is an array. Name of the array is argv. Then I can put the name argv. Right? Array symbol. Am I clear? All you got clear? Huh? But this array is nothing but pointers. Then I can attach a pointer here. If the declaration is clear for all? Declaration is clear?
Yes.
Yes, no go, no, otherwise I have to go for.
Sir, ଆଉ ଥରେ ଟିକେ declare କେମିତି କରାଯାଏ ଟିକେ କହିଦେବା.
Declare କେମିତି କରାଯାଏ ରଖ. এই structure ଟା ନିଅ, the same structure I copy it. Right? This is a pointer, this is a pointer, this is a pointer, this part is null. Simply case. Initial first assume that what is that? Array?
Yes, sir.
Right. What is the array symbol? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Choose a name.
argv.
RGB. That is your own choice. I choose ARGB. Now array
Yes,
done,
sir.
but it's not a normal array. What array like? This is a pointer.
Pointer array.
Put a pointer. Right? What is the type? Which types of value it holds? Character values? Array
Yes.
co value hold करছি. All are character no?
Yes, sir.
Then type of data type is char. Done?
Sir,
Pointer.
C address. But जो
हाँ.
array को सर जो argb टा सी स्टोर करछि address of other array जोटा character
हाँ.
char लिखले.
Yes, yes, you are right. Very much right.
Yes, sir.
Because it holds the character, that's why I maintain character, because it is whatever 1200 value is, this is the base address of an array, and that array contains character values. Now clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now tell me, are you agree with me? The array name itself is a pointer.
Array
11. Array name itself is a pointer.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
how I
Don't know, forgotten? अच्छा देखिए then I will come to that one. It will take some time. The second kind of declaration I put it star. मुझे explain करी के तुम करी because you have forgotten. Other kind of declaration is that char star argb as such, because array name is a pointer, you can make it double pointer, double star. You can make a double star instead of that one. On discussion, I will make it clear. Hence, two types of declaration I can make it. Okay, I have to follow this declaration. Upon your doubt clear, you will be allowed to use this definition. Done. Put us back. Now the thing, the ARGB array who prepares? किए तैयारी करिवो तम पाई? That is the question. Who prepares? Am I clear? If you are, who prepares the
Yes, sir.
argument array? That is the major question. Right? Because thing is that this structure is not visible to you. If you are writing inside the program, you have to read the value echo itr s12 csc as a scanf statement. But thing is that the echo itr s12 ss, we are giving at command line. Right? Then who prepares? All this structure will be prepared by cell. Cell will prepare it. And give it to the program. Cell will prepare the argument array and give it to the program. Got it clear? Now who will prepare the argument array?
Cell.
Cell karibo. What is a cell? A cell is a program. And cell will prepare the argument array and it will pass to the program. What is the program? Program is echo. To the echo program, cell will give an argument array. After receiving the argument array, the program, whatever written inside it, it will behave like that. Got it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, in that concept, I am writing a C code, not echo. That will behave like a echo program. Vartaman kariba. Assume that this is your C code. तमें निजे ट्रीट करो, you have written a C code. Right? And you are running $./a.out. Right? 8 when the argument the B. What is the argument first? ITR. Right? 1 S, whatever the thing is that. Okay, you will given. Now the cell will using this one create the argument array. Cell argument array karibo. Right? After creating the cell argument array, cell will pass to the C code. Right? Now a general strategy. If the array is going for the C code, how the C code will read it? C code केमिति read करिवो? Right? तापे ଗୋଟେ छोटा example दउची try करो. I will come back to that one. Suppose I have written a program, something, right? Inside that, I have used a function called add a comma b, right? Then something something ended, and here I am writing int add int x comma int y, return x plus y. Now all you please tell me, right? This particular function will get input from where?
From AB, add up AB, comma
Oh,
B.
then whatever the value we are passing from a 10, comma 5, x will receive 10, y will receive 5. And in the same function written in my C code, right? And assume that this is a argument array, right? Then this argument array will pass to a function, and that function must have parameter inside it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Then tell me which function I will write so that parameter will be there. Who function likhibi seti? Here. If you write your own function, this is user defined. Shell cannot don't know. तमे जदि निजे गोटे फंक्शन लिखिबो सेल जानि पारि नथिबो each function is used to me by me or not, then what will do it? Inside the main we have to pass argument inside the main, then main will contains arguments, right? Any more jete dei paribo, no problem. Then main will contains arguments. Got it clear? Where I will mention the arguments in the C program.
Yes, sir.
Food lakhibi
Main bhitar, main program.
main bhitere, right? Ketuta para argument mate darkar padibo. Find it out. Because this is an array, name of the array must, like integer a b you are passing, I require for opposite of a I require x, or opposite of b I requires y. In the same way I want the name of the array. First thing. Second thing, the cell will intimate how many number of arguments are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then a count. I want a count. I want the array. Then the main will contain one parameter, count parameter, how many numbers, right? Second parameter is the array. Our parameter ma darkar nahi, but main can take any number of parameters. Now here I will take two parameters. One is count, another is the array. Okay, if the doubt is clear, can I create the C program?
Yes, sir.
चलो मो सहित लिखिबो gedit command line argument cmd1.c. Please write with me so that code will be there in your notebook. Add the file int main pass what a count. Count means what is the data type? Data type कौन है तुम्हारा अच्छी?
Integer.
Integer, very good. Integer argument count argc, then give it. Other name possible, no problem. Second on array, type of the data type character. It is an array of a pointer pointing to string. Then array name argb symbol, because all are pointers. Put the pointers. This is my style of writing.
Yes, sir.
Done. Now simple case. If I want to display the element of the array, integer I, right? Or I equal 0, already have a count, argument count, I less than argc. Because if the argument is 4, you are starting the index with 3, then it will go from 0, 1, 2, 3, 1 less. Logically, it should be correct. Already AD1 is over, you can apply the concept of loop invariant. I plus plus. Printf, all are string, percentage s, ठीक है, separate करो space दियो. Print the content of the array, argb, indexing I. Loop close, single line loop is there, curly braces not mandatory, but I used to put curly braces so that nothing will be confused. I add a printf for a new line, then you add return 0. Set the file. Please read the question carefully, otherwise the program carefully. Now the main contains arguments. And you imagine that for user defined function, you are passing the argument. Now to this, who will pass? ATK pass karibo. The cell will pass. You cannot pass anything. Done. Shall I go for compilation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody feeling any doubt? अच्छा, अगर ऑन कर दो तब डाउट पूछेगा. CCC cmd1.c. Any error? Okay, something expected. Go for it. Where I left this one? Here I have to give semicolon. Clear the screen. Okay, fine. What is the name of the executable here? Executable name कौन?
CMD.
CMD कौन थी वो?
Dot.
Default on a dot out ना? Default is
Dot slash a dot out. Dot slash a dot out.
that is running, but name of the executable is a dot out, right? Name of the executable is
A dot out.
a dot out. What is the color of a dot out?
Green.
All green colors are executable. Echo रो देखिबा. मु वर्तमान echo देखौची. Echo ITR मु कोन देथिली ITR S1 something I have given forgotten 1 1 2 SOA or CSC, right? This is I think SOA. Done. Now carefully observe what the echo displays. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Mu echo program test kari. Where is echo? Right? Who is echo? Echo is inside which folder? Root folder, bin folder, then echo. ls, root folder, bin folder. Echo देखियो आप. Where is echo? Echo echo abcd c. This one. Which color it is?
Green.
Green color. Hence all executable are in green color. Similarly, our a dot out is also green color. Right? मु ताको रीनेम करि दउची. केमति रीनेम करी? अच्छा अब जीवा. रीनेम करिबानी कष्ट होई जो तुमको वर्तन बोली जो. Compile कली. Once again in front of you. Done. Type kali echo. Right? Now I am running my code. Dot slash a dot out. Right? Same input दियो. ITR S1 SOA CSE. Okay, right? पूरा मैचिंग करो. Echo is the name of the executable. A.out is the name of the executable. Dot slash I am giving to execute with respect to the current directory. That's the difference. Otherwise, the name is A.out. This is the argument 1 for echo, argument 1 for A.out, argument 2 for this 1 1 SOA CSE CSE. Total number of arguments 1 2 3 4 5 6. Indexing 0 1 2 3 4 5. Hence echo to this all SEMs, and echo is able to display ITR S1 CSE. Now let's see what our program display. Is it displaying the same thing or any deviating?
No, sir, same.
What any difference? Dida का line में जब difference देखी पारुछो? Any difference?
Sir, dot slash a dot out use कले dot slash a dot out टा भी आस जाउची.
आसी जाउची. Can anybody highlight why it is coming dot slash a dot? Can I suppress by editing my code? Code edit कले change नहीं परिवो की? Look in the code. Which index it is printing?
Zeroth index.
Zeroth index. If I will start the indexing from 1.
Yes, sir, it will not print.
Achha, very good. Same output. Compile karo once again. I have changed it. Same output.
Yes, sir, same.
Right. That means my program is not doing anything. Does my program is creating any array?
No, sir, no, sir.
Then to this array, who is supplying the value?
Main arguments.
Main is the argument.
Main
Who is supplying? Value के पास कौन सी?
RB.
Who is passing the value? पढ़िले परा. Who is passing the value?
Shell.
Shell is
Same,
passing.
same.
Shell creating the argument array and passing to the main. Right? Now this is my main part. भल से देखो. Right? Inside my C code there is no issue. I have never created an array. What does is this is my main part. Shell कौन कला? Argument array कला. Right? Put all the values ITR. So A dot out, whatever the thing is that. Last one is null. Right? This is 0 is the name of the executable. Indexing 1 dot 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 dot. Right? And B series that this is the name of the executable. Right? After doing shell, what the shell will do? Shell कौन करिवो? This argument array pass कर दो एठी की. काग पास करे तो कैसी? आरी base address टा. array रो base address. Let the base address x x x x. Pass the base address. This is the base address. Data structure पढ़ा है ची. Many places. Then I am not going for more details. Base address. Now this will pass the base address to here. Now base address passing means array passed. Now what this ARGC, how many arguments are there? The second component will be filled up by how many arguments? Okay, done? ठीक है. Now clear? Who does it? Shell does it. Fine. 11 ready ki? Not attending. Is it ready? Is it clear? Is it clear for you?
Sir, yes, sir, clear. My mic was not working.
अरे केते समय पर तुम पिला माने सोई जाउछ ना समथिंग प्रॉब्लम यू आर गेटिंग
Sir, leave କରିକି ଆଉ ଥରେ on କଲି ଆଉ ଥରେ meeting ରେ।
आउ के नांदी ओनली आशुतोष इज देयर राहुल सेनापति दीक्षा आदित्य अच्छा ठीक है ऑन करी रो व्हाट टू डू ज्योतिष श्रुति नर्मा अमृत अनन्या
Yes, sir. Amrit.
where you people are
So here only. Sir, bad network because of rain.
okay okay it's up to you okay very good I think it is got it
Yes, sir.
okay fine now the cell will prepare the argument array given to the main will take care of now I'll look in the argc which is the count of argument let I go for the code I want to print the total number of argument array how many arguments were passed printf total arguments the count is argc okay done
Yes, sir.
let me go for compile same style done it how many arguments are here count karo manually how many
One,
6.
how many are 1
Six.
2
Without-
3 4 5 6
sir, we
yes
have
yes
to count. Sir, we have to count dot slash a dot out or no?
why not this is an argument in index 0
Sir, we are using from one, na? Index
we are
one.
using for 1 means
Sir,
oh
we
you are printing for index 1 see you are printing for index 1 but count is where in which variable
in yes, sir. I'll see.
rc देखो यही variable है rc अछि count टा right
Yes, sir.
you are not modifying that value of the variable right count box ରେ तुम पका जति value you are not modifying but think that you are displaying from index 0 because you are trying to avoid the name of the program in the printing this is the part of the printing but nothing you have changed in this value nothing you have changing if you have modified then something different issue तो किसी modify करनी same आ रहा है
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
okay done very good now take your answer is the total number argument 6
Chicks.
okay very good some more examples clear what the equa is doing for this case if I press enter what the equa is doing
Who will display all the
All
files
the files and
into the current directory it will search for all values meaning of star is common for all it is
Yes, sir.
all string including null okay theory of computation expansion epsilon
Clean
length of
star.
1 okay it will print all files related to current working directory okay now my program dot slash a dot out star right does it doing the same thing match and tell me It doing the same thing?
Yes, sir.
Then the
No,
total number? No.
sir,
Any changes?
sir, total arguments टा print करने
ମୁଁ ପ୍ରିଣ୍ଟ କରିଛି ମୋ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ରେ
yes sir, yes sir.
ଏଟା ଡିସପ୍ଲେ ଉଠେଇ ଦେଲେ ହବ ଓକେ
हाँ, yes sir.
okay okay fine. Now total number arguments is 52. If you count it, definitely it is 52, right, including a dot out. केमिति हला 52, a dot out is 1, star is 51. 51 plus 1 how much? 52.
52.
अच्छा, star represent all the files in the current directory. अच्छा, आउ गोटे कमांड कहलो so that I can count the number of files in ls. कमांड को
WC
wc खाली लाइन दरकार है
minus L.
51
Yes.
51 and a dot out is
51
1
plus 1.
where that one a dot out,
A dot out.
right? किए बनौछि all thing will go into the argument array by cell and pass to main. Clear? Number 2 last class के उठे पचार थिला, right? Suppose I have given star beta star पाखा पकी अछि 2 stars. What would be the output?
Same as star.
Achha, same as star because both the stars are contiguous. Same thing. हम प्रोग्राम रन करिवा. Be attentive. तुम मन टिके ढीला मार दूछ. Okay, right? हला की
Yes sir.
अरे तमे लेट रे मो स्क्रीन पाउछ कि सेपटे? Is there any delay in delivery?
We can't figure that out.
Figure it out. Then I am getting the
ଟିକେ ପଢଉଛି.
sometimes ମୁଁ response पाउनी जमा. अलगा पिला माने चुपचाप बसिन एमती बसिले हबोनी so that I can read the slide. I to explain. ये पळैलाणी सुबेंदु पिलाटी पड़े. If this is so, then why to sit? Better to read the slide and complete the course. Cost of time, I am getting so much tired. No interactive. I have the ready-made slide. I can read and complete. Or any issue is there because nobody is interactive in your section. Se jane dita pila ki asun pacharuchendi au ki nahi. You tell me the solution. Chandrakant Gupta.
Yes, sir.
I don't know. Your section friends are not interactive.
ବର୍ଷା ବହୁତ ଜୋର ହଉଛି sir ଏଠି. So network
अच्छा,
problem.
वर्षा हो जो network problem. But that thing you post it. Sir, असुविधा किसी होची. Okay, now. But think that you try to be interactive. Otherwise, finally, what I'll do it? No. If you're not interactive, I'll read the slide and complete it. ମୋ ପାଖେ slide ଅଛି ready-made. ମୁଁ ପଢି ଚାଲିବି ସରି ଚାଲିଲା assignment ठीक है दे देबी. It is up to you. Right? And I feel that you are not so strong in C also. Okay, now extra can janiba, and some of there are there. If you are thinking that things are very easy, we can do it. Okay, very good. Let's echo. I give a space now. Then how many arguments are here?
$51 into 2 plus 1.
No. Don't say that. How many arguments? Oh, acha, yeah. Here it will take 3 arguments, but star is a special meaning. Star will be expanded, star will expanded. And this star is not contiguous. They will cater as 2 different things. Okay? Then this star will represent the ls. This star will represent ls. Then 2 times ls along with 51, then the name of the program. Then 2 times ls will be printed. This is 1 times. Please be interactive, otherwise there is no interest, right? And ended with here, and this is also clear. Now my program. Clear कर the screen. Is it giving?
Yes sir.
51, 102, a dot out is 1.
Plus 1.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. अब किसी टेस्ट करिवा here. Echo single character file matching jiba. Single character file matching. Right? One of the meta character also. I hope it is there. Let me open the slide. Single character file matching. Question mark is there. Command substitution over. Question mark, question mark. Yes. भलसे देखा, are you getting the question mark? पिलान देखि पारछो कि?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ.
देखि पारुछि।
It is a single one character file matching. One character. Previous one is 0 or more. This one is one character. If you are look to search for one character file matching, then use question mark. We equally देखौछि then program. ls करो. Either any single character file name. Yes. Small a is single character. Small b is there. C is there. So many. Echo question mark. The question mark is a special character. The shell will search for the current directory for single character file name. Who are the single character that will be retrieved? Done. Any single character. ठीक है ची?
Yes, sir.
Right? How many single characters? This is a single character. This is a single character.
So double characters.
हाँ, double, two characters now. But think that
Two
both
characters.
are pass, then it will look into two character files, two character file name. Those are two characters. Correct?
Yes, sir. Correct.
In this way, you can go on repeating. If I type echo this space this space this, what will be the expected output? कौन करियो? Space means a token end है then this is a single character. Also
Single character.
Exactly. Right? Single character ABC printed, again ABC, again ABC. Got the difference between previous and this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now the
Got
same
it.
thing I am doing C code. /a.out single character file matching. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Total number argument केतना हला?
चारटा हैगला.
Why चारिटा? Because this question mark
A dot
is
slash a
expanded.
dot.
Exactly. Double star दियो. Right? Two
Yes.
character files are okay. Space दियो. 337 plus 1. Done.
Yes, sir.
Sir, total argument 7, how?
How 7? This single character, how many files are there? Actually, तुम मैंने attentive रहो ना इटा 25
Sir, 3.
मेरा 20 थर हम कही सारलानी. You're getting bored in your class. Right? This is 3. This is 3. 8 is 1. 7.
Yes,
This
sir.
मजा आसे ना section.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Done. More explained you can do on question mark. I close question mark. Question mark को close कर लिए. More explained तुम करियो. Doubt वाले पचारियो. This is over. Pipe already over. Command sequence already over. CMD जीवा. Right? Next character. देखा बोल से. Echo. Let's just hold on. तमें this symbol you got it in the last class in your keyboard. Somebody should answer. The
Yes,
back
sir.
word.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes,
this
sir.
symbol, more jodi finger अछि. Just above tab, below escape.
Yes, sir. S call.
Okay,
Yes,
very
sir.
good.
Yes, sir. Below is-
Very good. Not that is single code. That is back code or grave ascent. Right?
Yes,
the term
sir.
is given. That is back code or grave ascent. Above the tab key. Keyboards are all standard. Definitely over the tab key. That is command to be replaced. That I am doing. Echo start command I type pw. This is a command. All commands are small case. It will display echo the command will be replaced, substitute ହେଇଯିବ the value of pwd. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Got it.
Yes, sir.
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ls ଦଉଛି, correct?
Yes, sir.
Right, now our C code ./a.out command pwd. Okay, number of argument 2 जे पचारथिला बुझियला ना डाउट अछि? a.out is 1, pwd is single
Yes,
line.
sir.
Okay, very good. Next टा दियो ./a.out command ls, right? Got it clear?
Yes, sir.
ls will be expanded, that will be visible. Okay, fine. Next, another way to substitute the command, echo dollar within bracket command name. Within bracket you have to give it, right? Give it ./a.out dollar pwd. Fine, right? If you are not using dollar a bracket dollar in the capital case, the capital pwd is an environment variable. Don't get confused. ./a.out dollar pwd. Okay, all are clear? Okay, very good. Next, this is clear. I'll come to this one, don't worry. Grouping commands, already done it. Command line, like C, command lines are there. Echo itr soa. Suppose I started as COLL college info, right? Whenever the symbol hash will be encountered, it will be treated as a comment, and this part will be ignored. Once again I do repeat,
Yes, sir.
whenever a hash will be encountered in the command line structure, that will be treated as a comment, hence everything will be ignored. Only itr and soa will be displayed. ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
Very good. Now we can try in our C code.
Sir, can you use this comment in between IT and SOA?
Acha. Yes, I will come to your doubt. Very good. Same thing. This part will be argument 1, argument 2. After that, will be go for. Okay, tell me where to use. Oh, sentence daka.
Sir, in
Okay.
between IT and SOA. Yes, sir.
In between ITR and SOA. ITR
Yes,
here.
yes.
Emily. Right. Do you want?
ITR only will be printed.
अरे स्पेस देबी ना गोटे वर्ड लिखिबी.
Sir, space, sir, in between IT and SOA, you have to
Ah.
write one message like hash college info.
Okay.
Sir, if we want SOA to be printed, then what can we do?
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
मैंने खाली
No, no,
good
no.
college.
अरे whatever there in after hash, it will be comment. This part will be ignored. Only edit out ITR. Only okay.
Sir, से कोच की मैंने
हाँ तुम्हें डाकू नो. अरे you just call me. Edit out. Yes. Make your own mic on. Call me.
सर से कोच की ITR टा प्रिंट हबो SOA टा भी प्रिंट हबो गुड कॉलेज टा खाली माने कमेंटेड रहबो सेंती हे परिबो.
हाँ भाबो. You think over the logic. How to make it? Huh? Anybody can answer?
Sir,
You want to-
ITR SOA hash good college.
ITR.
SOA
No, no.
then hash
No,
then
no.
good college.
You want that ITR will be written over here, SOA will be
Beach
written
mein.
over here, but whatever written inside it, it will be ignored.
Sir, bracket.
अच्छा ब्रैकेट देली हाश मोड देली ब्रैकेट क्लोज कली ठीक अछि ओके
Error.
हाँ
Sir,
how to
another
get
hash.
हाँ yes
Another hash
अच्छा
in
मोटे
the
C की
array.
जाऊँगी अच्छा just hold on I am going for a C. This is a command line in C.
Yes, sir.
First of all, your answer, I have written some line here. Here, using this part, right? Something written, right? Using this comment symbol, can you able to comment up to this part and limit that part, which is the line continuity is there? Think about it, right? Okay. Can anybody will have the answer? Okay, koi paribo ki? Okay, you think it. Okay, how to manage? You have to think about it, right? The question I am giving you to that, his question only. He wants that this particular part to be escaped, but how to make it? I am telling that after hash, whatever you are getting, that is command line, but how to separate it out? What requirement you want? You just think about it. Next, expand the value of a variable. Echo because let the variable is w equal this one. I want to expand it. $w. Fine. Similarly, a dot out $w 234. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very simple. Value of the variable to be expanded. Next. This is, you know that. Preventing. This part, carefully mark it. More will be there in the shell scripting. Here I will go with the definition. Two parts. P1 is an expression, P2 is an expression. If jointed by and, then condition as like, if P1 is true, runs successfully. I am talking about run successfully. Evaluated to be 1. If the left hand side of the operand is 1, right hand must be executed. If the left hand is 0, right not required. The same thing, logic applicable for P1 or P2. If this is run successfully 1, this is not required to run. If it is unsuccess 0, then this must be run. With this, I am giving the idea for you. Here, I am giving an expression. Let 3 greater than 2. I am in the bash shell. Expression you write in the double parenthesis. 3 greater than 2, true or false?
True.
True.
I jointed with, suppose a command is echo pwd. That is only a message, welcome. If it is true, does it require that the right hand operand to be evaluated or not?
Required, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then it is
Required.
true, 1, nothing will be displayed because no display I have added. Just an
Welcome will be
expression.
displayed.
Okay, very good. Correct? ठीक है, wrong कर दिया. It is wrong, 0. Then right hand evaluation,
Not be there.
very good. Silent. Done it? Or case,
Done. Sir.
right? Left hand is expression, true or false?
False.
False.
Then does it depend right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Opposite करनी देख दियो. Logic is the same for all.
No, sir.
Very good. Because it is 1. 1 means this does not require. our simplest ଦଉଛି echo command substitute. Suppose by chance you have written wrong command and echo welcome. Can anybody say what would be the output?
So ERT is a command.
No, here it is a wrong command.
Okay, then
No such command found.
is
for-
nothing will
Yes.
nothing
For
will
this
be
case,
out.
for this case, no such command found, right? But that evaluation is true or false?
False.
Why?
Zero.
False.
Are? Why it is
As
false?
it is not. It is not a command.
It is not a command. Program runs successfully or not? And it is not a command. See, if x greater than 3, welcome message. If x not true, then else case is executed or not?
Executed, sir.
Executed.
Executed means true. If
Yes,
it is
sir.
true, executed true or not, then this is evaluated to what? Command not. This is a return value. Yes. True. True means what? 1. If it is 1, right hand side depends or not depends? Confusion hello?
Depends.
Depends, sir.
See, it is executed successfully. Successfully means if it is a command, then that value will be printed. Because the program found that ERT is not a command, but program executed successfully.
Yes.
Right? Same thing you can test it in our case, a dot out. Can it given in something? Can it work in your code? This part executed successfully, hence, because we have not handled so much logic inside it. Okay, yeah, fine. Next, any other command? This over, and already over, input over, right? These two I am not going for. This is specifically for those who are interested. You read it, you can have an answer. Otherwise, I require shell program complete. Mu shell program padhauni, then that's why I am not going for this one. If somebody will show interest, I will explain. Only last one.
Okay, sir.
Be careful. Right? What the symbol is given? Symbol ta kon deyichi dekho. What the symbol?
$.
This is dollar nahi, square bracket, clear? Just like star, it is also a one kind of file matching pattern, right? What it matches? अच्छा पिला माने तमरो यूनियन पढ़ा लानी कि टीओसी रे a plus b
Sir,
ए बड़े एक्सप्रेशन लिखिलोनी
A और B तो
नहीं हाँ a स्टार प्लस b स्टार लिखिलो नहीं बड़े और a प्लस b स्टार टीओसी रे एमती लिखा आरंभ हलानी कि
A plus B star टा
Yes,
लिखा
sir,
है।
ଲେଖା ହେଲାଣି
ना खाली एमती लिखा है a b स्टार a स्टार b ऑपरेशन लिखा हलानी यूनियन कॉन्कैटिनेशन एमती लिखा हलानी
सर लिखा है
लिखा है तो
हाँ सर
अच्छा अच्छा दीदी कहले टिके यदि a प्लस b रे स्टार को मु एक्सपांड करिवि कोन पाई परिवि नल अदरवाइज आई विल टेक द सिंपलेस्ट वे यदि कष्ट हो सिंपलेस्ट अदरवाइज आई विल नॉट टेक द हेल्प ऑफ दैट वन
all the strings have AB.
नहीं हेलानी टे
A or B.
A और B आगे रहइबो तापरे किछि भी रहि पारे।
ना 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 हेलानी राइट खाली ए रखला हबो
ହବ yes sir ହବ
Yes.
एप्सिलॉन हबो
epsilon ହବ
ए बी हबो
Abo sir.
अच्छा ताल बुझी पाछे ठीक আছে ओके this based upon this one only asuchi mu just hold on the pattern this one matches write it down the point is very important of the characters inside the bracket I'm talking about any of the characters right and the very simplest format is a or b or c or d डॉक्टर जा था मोर किछ कहले कैन यू ड्रॉ ए फाइनाइट ऑटोमेटन फॉर a plus b plus c plus d तुम कौन भल लागु डीएफ ना एनएफ
डीएफ है कि एनएफ जस्ट स्टार्ट इज
डीएफ चलछि ठीक है लेखा क्वेश्चन टा 5 मिनिट हम स्पेंड करबा देन थिंग्स विल मोर क्लियर कंस्ट्रक्ट ए डीएफए मींस ड्रॉ ए डीएफए जार सॉरी जो इमीडिएटली मते स्क्रीन शेयर करियो ड्रॉ ए डीएफए ओवर द इनपुट अल्फाबेट ए बी सी डी over the input alphabet A, B, C, D to accept the language given as L equal this much. So, jaldi karo, I will be concluding. You will go for a break, then we have to appear the quiz. लेखिला क्वेश्चन आउ थे रिपीट करूची 37 तीनटा भा छुट्टी तो पिला माने सीरियस होरे पढौछ पढुनो एमती कले केमती हो एडा जे बुझा पड़नो तब टीओसी बुझा पड़नो तब टीओसी बुझा ना पले टीसी बुझा पड़िबोनी टीसी बुझा पड़ले नि डस होबनी लास्ट मेमोराइज करनो आ सीएन इज समथिंग डिफरेंट लास्ट मेमोराइज करियो जिंस ओरा को बाध्य है कि कोन करियो मते गैप लागुची तुम माने इंटरैक्टिव करूनो पढ़ पढ़ौछ मजा आसोनी क्लास रो जिनस कोन माने तमे एबे ठकुछ आमे ठकिबा आरंभ करियो कोर्स सरी जो ऑटोमेटिक बाटरे व्हाट विल द बेनिफिट विल बी गेटिंग राइट कंस्ट्रक्ट ए डीएफए और ड्रॉ ए डीएफए over the input alphabet A, B, C, D that will accept the language L equal A plus B plus C plus D. करिबो जार सरले मते कहिबो rest please look in that this one the pattern matches any of the character very very vital point any of the characters inside the bracket. Let I write it. The pattern given A, B. Right? You have to look into the files that contains either A means beginning or B. That means A or B. Any of this, either A or B, both is possible. Right? With that concept, I am starting, try to understand. Clear? Please have a look in the LS. ठीक है
Yes sir.
Okay. Type koli. Echo. I start the bracket. Means pattern matching A B. Default it will search the current working directory. The cell will search the current working directory files and look for the character matching A file, character matching B file, if present, displayed. A matching present, B matching present. A single character any. A matching, B matching. Okay, done it? बुझेला
जदि एबी नेम रे किसी फाइल थांता तो
अच्छा एबी रे गोटे फाइल कर दवा टच एबी देखिलो एबी फाइल इज क्रिएटेड हैला
यस
अच्छा मु कोन कहि भल से देखो any character inside the bracket that means this expression is either a or b right
यस यस
a ru नबो a रे थिबले हबो b रे थिला हबो दीटा थिला हबो किंतु it is not looking for the two characters दीटा character को लुक करूनी
यस यस
सिंगल कैरेक्टर बुझि पाइलो सिंगल कैरेक्टर नबो देखिबा सही कॉन्टेक्स्ट में ओके ए बी आसिला की
नो सर
that means the expression is be sure I am writing the expression in this way means a b c anything let it be z similarly equivalent to a union or symbol अलगा प्रकार दवा अच्छा और सिंबल केमिन दो प्लस है दो ना वर्टिकल बार
प्लस
प्लस ओके वेरी गुड a plus b plus c means or plus z otherwise some books they have also written a or b or c or z right either the pattern will look for a or b or c or z all right in the same way you apply that concept लेस देखो वर्तमान को इको आउ किसी न्यू फाइल करी फॉर यू टू टेस्ट नो इको सपोज आई गिव 1 2 3 4 5 does this like started with 1 is there
नो सर
2 is there
नो सर
3 is there
No, no.
नहीं सेमती किसी नहीं
किछु
if nothing is there nothing to be expanded over here then what is there it will return only return the bracket 1 2 3 4 5 done
यस यस
सेटा मेंशन कर दोची if no matching echo if no matching then return the same character phrase अच्छा हैला this is just like a now टिके आपको नबा let's see suppose I have created some files ch1 ch2 ch3 ch4 ch5 ch6 ch7 ch8 right ls all chapters are there I want to search all chapters at a time 1 to 4 केमदी लिखिबी echo I want to 1 4 echo
ओके
Equals ch bracket 1 to 4.
correct
यस
and this continuous value is there then instead of that one you can write a hyphen notation this is equivalent to 1 to 4
यस
okay fine
यस
okay done if you want to repeat you can use star यदि repeat करिया चाहो तो star देखो done it okay more is there in your TOC hope you have to go through it 5 done everything done okay done all the meta characters over next now thing is that the cell is interpreting the values cell कौन करूची interpreting the values we want to avoid केमिति avoid करिवा very small section echo star but I want to print star only I want to avoid that cell will not expand star To avoid the cell interpretation of star, two methods are there. One is by putting double quote, one is by putting single quote. But if you are giving double quote, it will protect. But few characters are there, it can expand. Run it, star. Protected. Cell cannot enter inside cell will go inside double quote, but think is that it will look for special characters. Right? If you are using double quote, जदि तमे डबल कोड यूज करछ सेल विल गो इनसाइड. And look for three symbols. Look for three symbols. It will look for dollar, grave ascent, and third one is backward slash, and do its duty. Okay, fine. What a calling देखो echo double quote, let a variable set x equal 1 2 3, echo double quote start star, suppose I put space dollar x. Also देखो I am trying to protect from cell, but the cell will go inside it, look for dollar. If dollar is there, it will work. Expand the value of the variable. Correct? Na doubt रहिला किछि.
सर जब डॉलर न था ताले किछि न था.
Very good. Done.
Yes sir, direct print कर.
Correct. It will search for three symbols if you are using double quote. Dollar, your grave ascent, and that slash, forward, backward slash. If you are using grave ascent, done. Well, it will go, but because it is getting grave ascent, it will do its job, expansion, then done. If completely want to protect, put the things inside the single quote. Cell cannot go at all. Fine. Yes. Third one.
Yes, sir.
To protect cell, you can use the slash, this slash, not this directly separated slash. Slash, star, slash, star, slash, star. This is protected. Cell cannot do anything. Cell will escape. Right? If you type star, 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 then it will print ls. Okay, done?
Yes sir, done.
And opposite case is double quote protect single quote protect double quote. That is the thing that escaping the meta character with black slash, number one, using quote, using double quote. If you are using double quote, then it will search for these three symbols. And single quote protect double quote, protect double quotes, protect single quote. Right? This is already done. Hope that you will go for it. The end of this slide. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I started
Yes, sir.
the command line. Along with few command line argument array, I gave the idea. Now this part already started. Hope you got the argument array. This is an array of strings. The end array marker is a null pointer. This is few example. Already we have done it. This is the structure. Right? This part is lateral. How it is created, how the array is. And this is the part of the program already we have computed. Next class we will touch to the next higher version. Now let me conduct the quiz for you today's quiz. Kejon also 38. Okay, for 38 only I will be record the response. लिंक दउछ लिंक दवा पूर्व यू जस्ट गो फॉर 5 minutes ब्रेक हम 5 minutes जाओ कि राजेश यू जस्ट गो फॉर ब्रेक
Yes, sir.
as such after joining post a message ready
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
okay be quick तो पिला मन पढो छ के ये कोआ गला रे कोआ अंशुमान रे अंशुमान ए तो निजे आसुनी कोन अन्य पिला को अरे तुम पिला
Okay,
कोआ
sir.
जाउ छथि
फर्स्ट के जॉइन तो करते करन थिले बहुत पिला
जॉइन କରିଥିଲେ ତ 43 ଯାଇ ଥିଲେ 5 ଜଣ ଖସି ଗଲେଣି बड़े कोन असुविधा हो तुम सेक्शन रे नामा तमर सब सेक्शन रे से आउछ मु बुझुतली तम पिला माने आसु न ठीक ठाक रे एमते काई करू छ किछ असुविधा जदी अछि को विल सॉल्व इट बट अदर सेक्शन दे आर अटेंडिंग फुल इवन आल्सो नॉन प्रोमोटेड अच्छा इनियो तुम न पढ़ले कौन करा जीवा ओके यू गो फॉर ब्रेक टेक वाटर विदिन दैट आई एम मेकिंग रेडी योर क्वेश्चन
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
हां यस
Yes.
जल्दी जाके आसो
Ready, sir.
Hello, ready? Acha, shall I give the question to you? Link? Hello?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Duration of the test is 10 minutes. It is already written in the form. Now, forwarding. Got the link? आयला लिंक मिळेला अमृत
Yes, sir.
ओके नाउ स्टार्ट ओके स्टार्ट ओके स्टार्ट करो as soon as you will submit you can quit
Thank you, sir.
Okay, done. Okay, you can leave. Already today's handout and the code is given forwarded to your mail. Welcome.